Hello, how's it going, Ruben? Thank you so much for your time and for taking the time to watch this video. I know you guys are super busy right now with bug season, kicking up and up and running and stuff like that. But this video is just informational and educational, just kind of showing you some tips and tricks on how to become more relevant online, right? And how to increase your online presence. Like pest control company owners are just super busy, right? They're way too busy to completely understand how a website, right, or being more relevant online can boost sales, right? Can boost the amount of clients that you bring in, the amount of phone number, the amount of phone calls that you get, so that you can provide your services. So I'm just gonna break that down for you today, okay? So you not having a website is kind of a big deal, right? Especially if you're trying to land more clients, land more business. This is the age of technology, and everyone's the answer to everyone's questions and problems and things like that, especially when it comes to bugs, is all in the palm of their hand, right? They have Google. They can ask Google a question, hey, pest control company near me, or pest control company Laredo, Texas, things like that. And usually the people that answer that question are on the first page of Google, right? So we definitely want to get you on a website. You definitely need a website, right? So that you can get up and running, right? So that you can start getting more and more clients that way, right? So if your primary way of getting business is through word of mouth, well, then you're definitely leaving a lot of money on the table, because your competition is not just settling for word of mouth. Your competition is getting out there and being online so that they can get more phone calls, okay? And taking the money that you could definitely use for your own business. So with that being said, I went on ahead and researched your competition in Laredo, right? I typed them in here, and they were the first ones here in the organics. So I went on ahead and put them up here so for you to see. Right, these guys are based out of Laredo. I went on ahead and took this is a big red flag here, it's not secure. But I went on ahead and copied their website and put it into my little tool here. Now this is a paid tool. Obviously I am in the industry, so having a tool like this is pretty necessary for me. But for you, if you wanted to just type in like backlink checker for free or keyword researcher free, well then you could definitely see what I'm seeing. And basically what this tool does, it peels back the curtain and it allows me to see what's going on in the background, right? Now, so you having a website would definitely benefit you, right? And having content to be on your website, right? And with the relevant keywords. That's what these guys are doing, and that's why. So if you see here, they have 42 referring domains. Now, referring domains are just the number of websites that are pushing traffic to their website, right? And then 120 backlinks, right? That means that these websites are doing so 120 times, okay? That's basically all that means. They have 273 people visiting their website per month, bringing them a total of $1,700 in traffic value. So that should tell you that it's definitely worth it, right? This is how much value they're bringing to their business, okay? Just by having the website. Like, they're getting all these clients, they're getting all these calls, right? Which could honestly be going to you if you just built the website and allowed yourself to be seen online, okay? Now, not all backlinks are created equal, okay, Ruben? Some of them, are not quality, okay? So you'd definitely have to do the research so that you can make sure that you're getting quality backlinks and ensuring that they're giving you enough traffic, okay? So the last thing I want to talk to you about today is citations, okay? Now, citations are anywhere that you can find your business name, phone number, and address on a directory, right? And a directory is you've got yellow pages, white pages, you've got Home Advisor, you've got Yelp, right? You've also got Angie's List. There's a ton of different directories that you can use, even local ones out of Laredo, right? And that's how you end up here in the map pack, that's how you end up here in the map pack. And if I'm honest with you, this is where most of the traffic goes, right here in this map pack area. Most people, including myself, I don't go and find what I need out of here in fourth or fifth page of Google. I honestly just go up here to the map pack and I find what I'm looking for here. So in order to get up here, as I said, you needed more citations than your competitors. So as soon as you get that website up, we can get you up here into this map pack. So if Target Pest Control, which is number 2 here and number 1 down here, this is for backlinks, this is for citations, right? So if there were if these guys had anywhere between, I don't know, 50 to 75 citations, well then you would want to one up them, right? In order to dominate here in the number one spot, you would want, I don't know, anywhere between 200, 150 to 200 different citations to ensure that you're dominating all the time constantly here, right? So there's two things that there's two options, right, that you could take, right? So the first option is obviously taking all of this information and using it yourself, right? Ensuring that you have a website built, ensuring that you have enough content on that, okay? Ensuring that you have like 1,500 to 2,000 words on that homepage. That's the biggest thing. Ensuring that you have backlinks. So taking those backlinks that your competitors are using, that Target Pest Control is using, and putting them onto yours, and increasing the amount of citations that you have, okay, so that you can dominate this number one spot and get all the calls, all the clients, all the jobs, to ensure that you even have jobs going into the winter, right? So you can do all that right yourself, or if you're looking to outsource some help, if you're needing help in any way, you could definitely reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to help you. Even with with the whole website building, I can help you with that too. If there's anything that you need, you could definitely reach out to me. I'm open 24/7. If you're just wanting some guidance on on the first step to take, you could definitely reach out to me. Ruben, I just want to thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you watching this video. Again, reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a good day.